Hi guys, welcome back to SCE&x Cooking. If you are new, welcome. Thank you for being here. So today I'm going to show you how to make BÉGA. This is a street food that I haven't had since I left Haiti back in 2008. And if you want to know how to make it, stick around. So before we get started, hit that subscribe button. Okay, thank you. So it is made with cow hives, cow skin. I get it at the grocery store. Not every grocery store has it. Make sure all the hair, usually the hair is out off of it before they sell it anyways. So this is it. Mine was frozen, so I put it out in the fridge to let it thaw. And now I'm going to clean it. When I tell this street food is so good, you guys, oh my god, I really hope you give it a try. I really hope you give it a try. So let me show you how I clean it, prepare it. So I am using sour orange juice, vinegar, and lemon juice or lime juice, whichever. You don't need all three necessarily. You could just use the orange or the lemon or whatever, but you do need, I would highly suggest that you use the orange or lime so it can scrub it and remove all the dirt and impurities. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start cleaning it because there's a lot of impurities that we want to get off. I don't know what you call them, but a lot of things that we need to remove off of it. So let's go ahead and do that. And you may want to use a knife also, because sometimes it's hard. I also use a knife to like scrape everything off, and that's the Haitian way. It's the Haitian way. So after I did all that, I cut it into smaller pieces too. I didn't leave them this long, because the way I remember we used to eat it used to be in a plastic cup, and then we used it with eat it with a toothpick. You see the stuff I'm removing like that. Let me zoom in a little bit for you to see better. So once you've cleaned it like that, you remove all these little things, all these extra, whatever they're called, I do not know. Remove all of it, okay? Clean it. That's all I gotta say. Do that and we're fine. And once you do that, we're gonna go ahead and rinse it. So the ones that were already cleaned, I had them in a different container. So go ahead and rinse your bowl in the sink, remove all the dirt, and we're gonna go ahead and start rinsing our hive. As I've said before, be sure to cut them into smaller pieces. So now I transferred it to the bowl, and now we're gonna go ahead and rinse it. I rinsed mine about 3 times because I wanted it to be squeaky clean. I didn't want any, I wanted it to be beautiful like me. So yeah, but listen, rinse it as many times as you want. So I did add a little bit more vinegar to the rinse, and rub it. You see what I'm doing? Just follow, do everything I do. Do everything I do. Rinse, rinse it again and again. Listen, I wasn't kidding when I said I really wanted it to be clean. Listen, there's nothing wrong with washing your meat. If you're a clean person, once you wash the meat, the CDC said not to wash your meat to not spread, so you don't spread bacteria. But you have bleach, you have vinegar. So after you wash your meat, clean the area. Okay, that's all. I work in a grocery store. You could not pay me to eat my meat without washing it. No way. No effing way. No. Wash your meat. Okay, don't listen to the CDC. The same CDC come up with, and let me not even start. All right, let me get back to my recipe. Anyways, as I was saying, so after I've rinsed my cow hive, I don't know, a million times, now it's looking good like I am. Yes. So bring it to your pot, the pot that you're gonna be cooking it. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Wash your meat. You know what? Well, I'm gonna say, if you don't wash your meat, then you don't wash your ass. I'm kidding. I take that back. I'm joking. God forgive me. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm trying to do better. Okay, all right, so let's season it. So I am adding a chicken bouillon cube. You may skip that. Listen, to each their own. To each his own, actually. That's how it's not there, it's his. Anyways, you can add that or you may skip it. Feel free, it's up to you. And I'm also adding beef bouillon because I want the flavor and I miss that. Like, I haven't had that since I was in Haiti. There's no way I'm not going to try to make it as authentic as I could. You know, I'm not in Haiti, obviously. I have to, you know, adjust the seasoning and everything. But hey, I have to come, you know. So here, this is what I got. So, you know, like I said, add whatever seasoning you want, whatever seasoning you want. It doesn't matter, whatever spices you like. And I'm adding, of course, some all-purpose chicken seasoning with that, which I need to get some because, oh God, only beaches has it and it's the best. And of course, I am adding some cloves. You need to grow up if you don't cook with cloves. Grow up, grow up. When I hear people talk about, oh my God, I want cloves, like, yeah, that's why y'all don't even know good food. Some of you, not all of you. Anyway, so I'm adding some olive oil. Not too much because, you know, it's cow skin, so it has a lot of fat. So you want to go slow on that. I added just a little bit just for the seasoning. So that is some red cooking wine I added. Cooking wine, not like the regular red wine. Cooking wine. Some bitter orange juice, and of course some Creole Mojo seasoning. And if you're new here, you may not know what it is, but if you've been here, you know what it is. This is what it is. This, oh my God, I swear by these things. I swear, when I use them, there's a reason why my food is good, because I know what to put in my food. Woo. Anyways, thank you, God, for my talents. Okay, so here's something very important. Add some baking powder. This will soften the meats. It will help it cook faster. I added 2 teaspoons of baking powder. If you have what's it called? I have one actually. What's it called again? You know what I'm talking about, the fast cooking thing. Oh my God, the word, oh my God. Anyways, whatever, you guys know what I'm talking about. But I have one. I just wanted to do that. So if you have one, use it. It will be faster. And I just added some allspice because, listen, I like cooking with allspice. I'm Jamaican. I'm just kidding. This has nothing to do with Jamaican. I mean, Jamaicans use it a lot. So yeah, Haitians don't use it as much. I'm not used to using it, but you know, I was introduced to it here by the Jamaicans. So yes, I give credit to the Jamaicans. Anyway, some fresh thyme, some onion, red bell pepper, scallion, parsley, scotch bonnet pepper because we're gonna make it spicy, and cloves because listen, just add cloves, whatever your heart says, add it. And now we're gonna go ahead, cover it, not water yet. Cover it, turn your heat on low, and let it steam for about 10-20 minutes, and give it a stir. I did not add any water, okay? I let it steam on its own on low heat, baby. Let it steam for about did I say 10 to 20? I lied. 20 to 30 minutes, and then now we're gonna add water. Low heat, remember, low heat, otherwise it's gonna burn it. And it's not cooked yet, obviously, but this took a long time to cook, you guys. So every time the water finished, it dried up, add more. The water reduced, add more, and taste it and add more seasoning. This is the thing with Haitian recipes. It's hard to really have a specific measures because it's the way we cook things, it's the way we eat, it's different. And there's a lot of cultures that are like that too. So cook it, add water, add more water until it's cooked all the way. It should take you about 2.5 hours. Like I said, add more water and adjust your seasoning. Adjust your salt, because the more water you add, it's going to lose its flavor. So you want to keep, you know, adjusting your seasoning. So anyways, you guys, isn't it beautiful? Isn't it gorgeous? Yes, it is. So this is it. Like I said, it's a street food, and you get this by the beach, or they're walking around, the sellers walking around selling it. Béga show, béga piqué, bon béga, mais béga pour nous. Fais béga ça, et puis fais m'konne ki jan ren. So ta kompren sa Abdullah, go on Google Translate, and anyways, never mind. Anyways, listen, you guys, this is really good stuff. I haven't had this since, like I said, since I left Haiti, and I left Haiti in 2008, and I probably had this way before 2008, so I haven't had this in a long time. And when I tell you, this brought joy to my heart, and I really hope it makes you feel the same. I hope you love this video. I hope you really like it. I hope it reminded you of home, because this is what it reminded me of. It really reminded me of home, and I really love this recipe. I cannot wait to make it again. This also brought me closer to my African roots, you know. Yeah, I really hope you like this recipe. And by the way, I have some great news. I just had my website, so now you can go check it out and see the services that I offer. Cindy's Cooking, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here, because yeah, of course I appreciate you. And do not forget to subscribe. I know you didn't do it at the beginning, you had to watch first. So now that you've watched it and I know you liked it, so go ahead and subscribe and check out my website. Why not? Support a girl, a black girl. Thank you. Bye.